Hey everyone, just recording this real quick to give you guys an update on how everything's going. Obviously, we got our slab, so that is pretty darn exciting. It was a bit of a slog to get to this point for sure, but we're here and things are moving quick. We got a framer coming in to put in another interior wall. That's how our general contractor decided that he wanted to do it. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna fill the entire thing full of insulation. So that'll be like twice code, so we'll be nice and cozy during all times of the year. So I'm really excited about that. As you can see over here, we got our radiant floor in. I did that whole process myself and I recorded some of it. So my plan is to eventually do a series on doing your own radiant floor and including the system that heats it all. So at some point I'll be releasing that in the future, and hopefully that'll be helpful for you guys. If you have anything that you particularly want to see about that process, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to try and make sure that I include answering those questions when I record that actual video. Let's see what else here. Yeah, just taped out all of the rooms here, and I'm just so excited to see everything starting to come together. We're excited. I think we'll probably be in here around end of October if everything goes well, and but it's construction, so who knows. That's about it for this update. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you next time.